Hello everyone, myself Dr. Radhika Mehta, Associate Professor from Jagannath University, Jaipur. Let's start the new topic for today, responsibilities of news editor, sub-editor and chief sub-editor. The functions of a chief sub-editor are multifaceted, encompassing strategic, editorial, managerial, and public facing responsibilities. Their role is pivotal in shaping the newspaper's content, maintaining journalistic integrity, and ensuring the publication's success in the media's landscape. The sub-editor, also known as copy editor or desk editor, plays a critical role in the editorial process of a newspaper. Their primary responsibility is to review and refine written content before it is published. So, when we talk about the responsibilities of news editor, sub editor, or chief editor, so these are the one who are like mirror of any newspaper or any publication. We call it newspaper or a magazine or any other medium where when we talk about from raw to final output, the wholly solely responsibility is of a news editor. In fact, if we talk about appreciating and any kind of criticism, this both is handled by these people. Now, here are some key responsibilities of sub-editor in a newspaper. Let's take a look. First, editing and proofreading. The sub-editor carefully reads and edits articles for grammar, spelling, punctuation, syntax, and style. They ensure that content adheres to the newspaper's editorials and maintain consistency in language usage and formatting. Next, fact checking. Sub-editors verify the accuracy of information presented in articles. They cross-check facts, figures, names, dates, and other details to ensure that content is factually correct and reliable. Enhancing clarity and readability. Sub-editors focus on improving the clarity and readability of the content. They rephrase or restructure sentences to enhance comprehension, eliminate jargon or unnecessary technical language, and make the writing flow smoothly. Now, let's take the next responsibility of editor, sub editor, and chief sub editor, that is, headline and caption writing. Sub editors write engaging and accurate headlines, subheadings, and captions. They effectively summarize the content and attract readers' attention. They ensure that the headlines accurately reflect the main points of the article and adhere to the newspaper's style. Next, style and consistency. Sub-editors maintain consistency in style, tone, and language throughout the newspaper. They follow the newspaper's style guide, which may include guidelines on spelling, punctuation, capitalization, and other stylistic conventions. Next, layout and formatting. Sub-editors collaborate with designers and layout artists to ensure that the content is appropriately formatted for publication. They consider factors such as column width, font size, spacing, and placements of visuals to optimize the overall presentation and readability of the content. Next, legal and ethical considerations. Sub-editors are responsible for identifying and addressing any potential legal or ethical issues in the content. They ensure that articles do not contain libelous statements, infringements on copyrights, or any sensitive or confidential information that should not be disclosed. Now let's take a look on further responsibilities of sub-editor, chief sub-editor and other editors. Collaborating with writers. Sub-editors work closely with writers, providing feedback, suggestions and revisions to improve the quality of their work. They may communicate with writers to clarify information, request additional details, or address any concerns or questions. Next, meeting deadlines. Sub-editors adhere to tight deadlines to ensure that edited content is ready for publication on time. They manage their workload efficiently, prioritize tasks, and communicate with other team members to meet production schedules. Quality control. Sub-editors play a role in maintaining the overall quality of the newspaper's content. They contribute to upholding the newspaper's standards of accuracy, professionalism, and editorial excellence. The responsibility of a sub-editor is to ensure that the newspaper's content is accurate, well written, and presented in a clear and compelling manner. They play a crucial part in the editorial process, collaborating with writers and other team members to deliver high quality news articles to the readers. That's all for today. Thank you.